Today we're gonna do a 20 Nantonium box opening. So hope stay tuned to it. I'll just buy it off cam. I don't want you to see my Google password. So let's get right into it. Let me just pause the video here. Alright, the first set is up. Let's see what I get. No. Oh, I'm only interested in weapons. No, I already done that. I already tested that out. That's horrible. Come on, hurry up. It's quite late at night, honestly. It's 9:20, still 40 minutes. Come on. Give me some shit. You gave me shit. So we're gonna go again. Gotta pause the video here again. This is gonna be a very short video, so whatever. Okay, second set. We still have 2 more to go. RTA 19S5. Oh, babe. I'll keep it. I'll just do a video on that. I'll try. Nah, I already got better because I'll do 8-3. I have a ricochet, but I don't know. It does damage, but the 2 to 3 discs should made up for it. Come on, how many times must you tell? How many times must you give me that? Alright, I'm gonna meet you there again. Alright, I'm back. Stoppers. Want what? Want what? Want what? No, I don't want that one. I don't want that one. Ooh, got a better sales now because I'll use it. I'll just sell that one. So, game, can you look at what I have right here? And look at what you have right there. Oh my god, it is slimmer. Tank is bigger. Just looks weird. Whatever. So I'm gonna try to do 2 videos. Maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I'm only like, I can't tell my age. I'm not even a secondary one. That's all. You should know my age. So Star Wars right there. What is over that one? What is over that one? Yeah, alright. Let's see here. Daily Temptations. Yeah, I already got mine. Alright, so I'm gonna upgrade everything and we're gonna do our last pack opening. We'll do 1 more after the last pack. Bonus everybody. Bonus. If you want to see more pack openings and waste my money, go ahead. I don't know why I decided to buy a freaking $50. Is it $50? I think it's $100 Google Play just to get this 1 billion subscribers. I use something else to it. That's like my game bugged out. Alright, you see the last video, you say 10,000 likes. To show you how I got this. Well, when I first started the game, my thing got bugged out. I don't know why. I signed in my account. They mixed me with another account which is hacked, so I can't possibly restart. I think it says for like 10 years. No, just kidding. For like 4 to 3 years. 3 to 4 years. And that's a long time. Because I've been experimenting on things. So why the fuck did I do that? Oh, assault. Assault. I saw it. assault rifle ammo is shared, so I need to buy some ammo for this. That's okay, that's enough. You don't need that much, so we're gonna do 2 more packs opening and I'll meet you right there. Alright, I'm back. Last 2. Oh no, not that Titan Ram Trooper. It's good in, like, look at this. Yeah, look at that, but look at it. Base, that's why it's base. Some flare. I recently got a buff, so I'll check the buff out. It got a buff, so after this we're gonna do one last one. Oh, come on, we're gonna do one last one, then we're gonna check the patch notes to prove that I know SAS4. And of course after I upgrade everything, so meet you there. I'm back. Love black. No, I did that before. I know it's overpowered, but no. Multi weapons. Stop giving away graphing. If I get armor for this last one, oh my fucking god. Harsh language alert, harsh language alert. Yeah, that's what happens. This game gives you shit stuff when you don't need it. Now why is it all my new stuff put down here? What the hell is it? I don't see a shit that doesn't even have 1 star, like fully marked. What the wait, what's that? I don't know what's the mix. Yeah, mix master is good, but there's only got a decrease. Only if I can put it on the side, imagine all black weapons. Wow, it makes us a bit bad. It doesn't play as fast. I like flamethrower better. Where no? Oh, there it is. Stop flipping too much. So this is my usual one. Daily capacity overclock, or if there's no capacity, I don't mind. I'll just put an overclock. At least overclock titaniums. If there's titaniums on it, or 10 titaniums, but then it's like, yeah, it's quite neat. And why did my Minecraft update? No, Minecraft shouldn't update. I don't know anymore. I'm gonna test this weapon out. Not today, obviously. Not today. Alright. I totally forgot where am I now. Alright. I need to buy some slash creds. Be right back. The brought one SAS pack. 7 million. Alright. So later we'll just wait. I think we should just set up our take vessel. I will just do sun flare first. Let me just put everything back at the first row, so that I know where to keep it. And we will do, what's the latest? We'll do Starburst next. And last but not least, we will do, oh my god, how many premium weapons do I have? T40, alright, T40. Wait, did I buy ammo for that? I'm pretty sure it's an assault rifle, so I need to buy more ammo. Oh, it's a submachine gun. It's a submachine. Yeah, we don't need that much ammo, honestly. I won't be using it for that long. So let's go into patch notes. Let's quit this game. Let's go back into the game. I don't customize my wallpaper, alright? I don't customize my wallpaper. Number one, the more fancy wallpaper you have, it takes up. I don't want to sign in my Google account. That's stupid. So we go into the patch notes. As you see that yeah, they added balance here. So let's just go to this truth. I know that they buffed the CM is like very long time ago when I first played CS4. So actually, it's very okay. This I already know it. Arc from 1 to 2, arc range. Wow, they blasted. Okay, black. Okay, arc range increases constantly when you hit more targets. Okay, see a gigavolt damage. Oh, they increased it. Congrats, mate. Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter I don't really care about. Okay, claw. Oh, that is. Is it a premium weapon, a sniper? Yeah, it's the premium weapon. Potential crash. Fits body armor expert. Confirmation. Oh no! Oh, that's not a balance changes. If it is, I'm gonna scream. 4 minutes of free time until they tell me to verify my YouTube account. Wow, they really increases it a lot, man. So I'm just gonna pause it for like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go back here. 1, 2, 3, go down here. 1, 2, 3. Alright. I don't think you need to read that. So see you guys later. This is very late at night and I feel like I'm drunk and I drank like 10 beers of beer. Actually I didn't drink, so stay cool and subscribe for more. And please comment because like nobody comments on my videos except for that one person when I played Pixelgun 3D, but I accidentally uninstalled it and I lost everything and I can't possibly restart because you see I had 2 billion gems there. So wish me luck on my next video. Bye.